Do you see that black car in front? Not this one, the one in front. That's my friend, and today we are going to the Übungplatz where you can learn how to ride a car or bike legally in Germany. I already mentioned about this in the car license videos, so if you also want to learn about the car license, then you can also watch those videos.
So until now I have explained how to convert your driving license, how to make a new driving license, and today I am going to tell you how to make a driving license for the motorbike, which is Class A R license, Class A license, and I am here to teach my friend how to ride a bike. I don't know where he is right now. So till he learns how to ride a bike, I will going to tell you how to make a bike's driving license. First, I want to tell you there are three kind of motorbike licenses in Germany. First A1, then second A2, and third A license. Before we start our topic, let me give you a small introduction about these categories. Number one, if you go for A1 category, which is a small or basic category, you can only drive a maximum engine size of 125cc, and your engine power should not be more than 11 kilowatt. And second, if you go for A2 category, which is a medium category, then you can only drive a motorcycle with the maximum engine power of 35 kilowatt. But if you are buying a motorcycle with a throttle down engine power or like decreased engine power, then original power of the bike should not be more than 70 kilowatt. If you don't understand this point, then it doesn't matter for now, you can Google it afterwards. The important part is that in this category there's a limit on engine power. Then comes the highest category, which is a Class A bike license. In this category actually you can ride whatever you want. You can also ride a bike with 1000cc engine. So in this category you can ride whatever you want, but you have to be at least 24 years old, and there is a way that you can get it at younger age, but then you need a A2 license first. You can read more about these categories. I will put the link in the description. So now there are four ways to get a Class A, A1 or A2 license. Number one, go for a bike and a car license together. Number two, make a new driver license for bike. Number three, convert your bike license from your country to the German one. Number four, get a A1 category license without theory and practical exam. So I went for the option 1 and made my Class A and Class B license together, which is like motorbike license and a car license. So what is the advantage of this? First, that you only have to give one theory exam. And second, if you're not converting your driver license, then you don't have to pay separately for the motorbike's theory classes and car theory classes. What does it mean? Suppose if you go for the car license first, then you have to attend like 12 or I think 14 theory classes, and some of these theory classes are general classes, which is like same for bike as well. So if you go for motorbike license separately, then you also have to attend these general classes again, even if you already have a car license. That's why I made both these licenses at the same time, which was a bit cheaper option, and I gave only one theory exam for car and bike. Otherwise, if you do it separately, then you have to give two theory exams. So I would suggest, if you haven't started your Class B license, which is like a car license, and you're also into bikes, then you can go for both at the same time. And yeah, one more thing, as I already told you in the beginning, that I already made a detailed video about car license. Either you are making a new license or converting one, the process is almost the same for bike, so you can watch those videos. Now comes to the practical part of the exam, driving on the road. For this part you need a motorcycle gear, like that means like motorbike jacket, trouser, gloves, shoes and helmet. But usually Fahrschule have helmets, so if you are comfortable wearing a helmet which is used by many, then don't have to buy a helmet, but all the other things you have to buy them, because usually Fahrschule don't have these motorcycle gears for everybody, like in all the sizes. And this gear could cost around 400 to 800 euros depending on the brand and the quality, and yeah, from where you buy it. Because without motorcycle gear, you're not allowed to take any driving classes and exam. So now it doesn't matter if you are doing a car or a bike license together or separately, you have to take practical driving classes. If you are converting driving lessons, then you don't have to take those special 12 driving lessons, which means like driving on the highway, countryside, and in the city. But if you are making a new driver license, then you have to take these special driving lessons, and keep that in mind that if you are doing both licenses at the same time, then you have to take special lessons for car and special lessons for bike, which will increase the total cost of driving license, because these special lessons cost more than the normal driving lessons. If you don't know about the normal and the special driving lessons, then I would highly recommend to watch my car license videos. In these videos I have explained about almost everything about the complete cost of driving license, so you can get an idea from it that how much a bike license will going to cost. But just to give you an idea that how much both license will cost if you make them at the same time, like, so I started from the scratch, which means that I also took special driving lessons for car and bike and theory classes, everything, and I have paid approximately 2500 euros for both. And keep that in mind that this price could change depending on your region and skills and your Fahrschule. Now at the end of the video, like the fourth step, if you have a German car license for almost 5 years and you are at least 25 years old, then you can get a category A1 license without theory and practical exam. You just need to take 4 theory and 5 practical lessons, 90 minutes each, and then you can get an A1 driver's license without any exam. With this, you can at least ride a bike with the engine size of 125cc. This could be the cheapest option, but you have to wait 5 years for it. And if you are going for a bike license, then there is a special driving exercises during your practical exam where you have to avoid those like road cons and doing like zigzag thingy. So if you want me to make those videos in English, then yeah, because those videos already exist in German. But if you want it in English, then let me know in the comment section below. I will be more than happy to make those videos. Now let me get back to my friend and see how much he has learned so far.
Don't forget to subscribe.